What's going on, class? I'm your instructor, Professor Jizzle, and today I'm here to teach you how to print t-shirts with something as simple as your phone. Here at T-Shirt College, we cover heat transfer vinyl, CRICUT, heat press, transfer paper, sublimation, designing, marketing, and everything in between. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be up to date on what's going on in class. Let's get today's lesson started. Today, I'm unboxing some face masks. I've got these Hanes face masks. There's 10 masks in the box. I had a customer ask me to get some bigger face masks because I was ordering them from eBay, but it was like every time I ordered from them, it was all different type of sizes instead of just one uniform size. The link to these are in the description. So these are adult large black. They have quite a few colors. They have regular adult size, they have child size. So the first thing that I'm really noticing is that right across the top, there's a wire. And the ones that I order from eBay, there's no wire across the top. Where the nose is. So I guess it'll fit your face better. Fit around your nose. There's not one on the bottom, just on the top. It's double stitched. See the back side. I've ordered them from eBay, but right here has come loose, and I have to sew it back together. Something I don't like. If I have to sew, then why am I ordering it from you? Another thing I want to let you guys know about these masks is they don't lay flat. So when printing on them, they'll still have the wrinkles in them. If I was to use the heat press, because they have pleats in them. Pleat right here. Another pleat right there. As well as two on the other side. They pleated them so they won't lay flat, so they can fit more around the face. So when I do press these, I plan on using my hat press to press them. Class dismissed. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with class. You can also follow us on IG.